The Hindu editorial of 26 June. Future state. Restoration of statehood should be at the start of the revival of the democratic processes in Jammu and Kashmir. Political leaders from Jammu and Kashmir who attended a meeting called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday came away with a sense of optimism. Restoration of statehood is somewhere on the horizon, even if a total reversal of the withdrawal of the special status remains unlikely. The meeting itself was a surprise and came at a time when expectations of a quick resolution were very low. But the fact that a spectrum of political leaders got the invitation from the center without any set preconditions had raised hopes of progress. Eventually, the meeting gave reason to Kashmir's political class to believe in possibilities that did not seem to exist just a week earlier. But restoration of statehood to Jammu and Kashmir, which was reorganized as two union territories, should be the first step in the revival of the democratic political process and not the culmination of some elaborate negotiation strategy. Mr. Modi described the meeting as an important step in the ongoing efforts towards a developed and progressive Jammu and Kashmir. While committing to strengthen grassroots democracy, he called for quick demolition of constituencies after which legislative polls could be held. Home Minister Amit Shah insisted the restoration of statehood will follow delimitation and elections. Not surprisingly, many participants were not convinced by this sequence suggested by the center. But the positives are that the long meeting was freewheeling, without rancor, and all parties were united in the demand for the restoration of statehood. Most participants also sought an assurance to return the democracy rights concerning land and state services. But considering the BJP's strident position, this might be difficult. Mr. Modi argued the focus must be on the future, but this will have to be built on the trust and cooperation of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Decades of turmoil have created unique problems of governance and mistrust. The NCP, the NC, and the PDP, with all their deficiencies, remain India's best messengers to the people of the valley. In deciding to engage them and other parties, the center has made a departure from its earlier position. By seizing the opportunity, these parties also showed maturity. Global and domestic factors might have nudged the center towards what appears to be a tentative accommodation of their viewpoints. But the political challenge to its decision to hollow out Article 360 is all but fading. The restoration of statehood has been placed so far down the path that any discussion on special status is unthinkable in near future. In that sense, the center and the BJP have irreversibly reset the conversation on Jammu and Kashmir. That success should not blind them to the resentment among the people. Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah will have to look forward to the future rather than being bound by their past rhetoric on Kashmir.